It's a fascinating phenomenon because Salvador Dali, man. What Salvador Dali did was something called the juxtaposition of incongruity. You know, the merging of the incompatible, taking two things that are mutually exclusive, placing them side by side and find a single common denominator they share. And what Salvador Dali did was he juxtaposed the subconscious with the dream state. This is what you call surrealism or surrealistic. Surrealistic when there is a disparity between two objects. There's no commonality. It's like a bicycle and a milkshake. Just two contrasting images that somehow this artist's creativity allowed him to juxtapose these two disparate objects in a cohesive kind of way. It's this cohesive juxtaposition. That's why I find surrealism to be a whole different, fascinating phenomenon in art, because a lot of juxtaposition. You see that juxtaposition pervasive in